Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first voiceover vlog, episode number 1. I wake up very late today as it's Sunday. I think you all know how it goes, but I was actually surprised by the rain, and I thought why not make a cozy vlog. So the first thing I did was making a home meal. So I actually crave for some spicy meal. So I did make a rice, and what you're seeing is now is the country chicken curry. And then I made a chicken side dish too. Actually these were all very special in southern part of India. It is the perfect combination to have it when it rains. When you have some more spicy meal in the rain, it's just heaven. Now I'm going to unbox my cutlery items, which I haven't opened yet. Actually, I went to shopping to the home center store. It is so cute and aesthetic, so I couldn't help myself but buy it. Even though it's a little more costly side, I just first thing I got is a cup and saucer set. Look at the combination sets, just so aesthetic. Do you think it's worth it for the price? And now I'm going to open the dinner plate. So this is way more costlier than the cup and saucer set, because it looks more heavier than it looks in the video. The plate alone cost me over 799 rupees.